Bear TV. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. Please do to subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you how to best spice fish before roasting so as to have a sumptuous result. Without further ado, let's jump right in. I will be using sardines, anchovy, mini tilapia, and finally spices. For sardines and anchovy, I'll be using turmeric, salt, bouillon cube, and chili peppers. For the tilapia, I'll be using turmeric, seasoning cube, salt, onion, garlic and ginger paste, hot pepper paste, mint, and black pepper. I will link onion, garlic and ginger paste in the description box below. Likewise, hot pepper paste. Please do to check them out. I will leave for 60 minutes before the next stage. Finally, mouth-watering roasted fish is ready to garnish your meals. So yummy! Thank you for spending your precious time with me. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.